If you want to remove a list on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you accidentally followed a list or you simply want to clean up your account, this method is fast, simple, and easy to follow. If this video helps, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more helpful social media tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, look at the left navigation bar on X and click More. This will open up the additional menu options for your account. From there, click Lists. This will take you to your list page where you can see all of the lists you're currently following. Next, find the list you want to remove and click on it to open the list details. Once the list is open, look for the Unfollow option and click it. That's the final step. As soon as you unfollow the list, it will be removed from your lists and no longer appear in your account. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully removed a list on X in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.